OBDSTAR P003 Plus ECU Bench Jumper versus P003 ECU Jumper Cable. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. The OBDSTAR P003 Plus has introduced a new ECU bench jumper cable adapter that differs from the older version used with the original P003. This new bench jumper can be utilized with a variety of OBDSTAR programmers, including the DC706 and P001, P003, and the updated P003 Plus. Here's a detailed breakdown of the differences and how to use the new jumper. Old bench jumper. The older bench jumper, commonly marked ECU bench on the connector, includes only 2x12V cables. This older version was designed to work with older wiring diagrams and can be used with the standard P003 adapter without modification. New bench jumper, P003 Plus adapter. The new bench jumper, labeled Bench AV3 on the connector, features 3x12V cables. Some modern wiring diagrams now require this additional 12V connection. This new jumper is compatible with the P003 Plus, DC706, and MP001 adapters. Differences between the new and old jumpers. The new version provides an extra 12V connection, making it suitable for modern ECUs and wiring diagrams that require more power connections. The new jumper cannot be directly used with the old P003 adapter due to these differences. Therefore, if you have the old P003 adapter, you will need to modify the new bench jumper to make it compatible. Modification for compatibility. To use the new bench jumper with the old P003 adapter, a modification is required. This typically involves altering the connector to accommodate the extra 12V cable or reconfiguring the wiring to fit the older setup. A photo is often provided by experienced users, showing exactly how to modify the new bench jumper for it to work with the old adapter. It's important to follow these steps carefully if you attempt this DIY modification. Recommendation. While modifying the new bench jumper to work with the old P003 adapter is possible, it's generally recommended to use the new ECU bench adapter design for the P003 Plus. This new adapter is specifically built for compatibility with newer ECUs and avoids the need for modifications. The new bench adapter can be purchased separately if you're looking to upgrade and avoid dealing with jumper modifications. In summary, if you're working with modern ECUs and wiring diagrams that require 3x12V connections, it's best to use the new ECU bench jumper. However, if you're still using the old P003 adapter and want to use the new jumper, modifications are necessary, though it's more efficient to simply upgrade to the newer adapter. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.